Hey, Secondhand Andy, what are you doing there?
Just setting up. I'm going Monster Energy munta fishing, bro. Business has been slow and this shit's like catnip to bogans, so I'm going to chuck it out front, see what I get on the end of my hook. Might make the big bucks.
Hey bro, can I buy that monster cuts?
Ooh, don't know about that one, mate. These are pretty hard to find, pretty sought after around these parts. But for you, $50 today, mate.
$50? Fucking oath, yep.
Nice, mate, nice. Big bucks.